Hello gorgeous, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm showing how to do your passport makeup. Inspiration goes to... So this is the makeup we're talking about and I'll be redoing it for you guys to see. I think it's high time we stop looking like something else in our picture. Like, see some other passports of mine. And this one here is the one I took like a month before this one, and I put on makeup here and I went to where they take passports and I took this. You can see the quality of the camera is very low and everything, so I decided when I was taking this, I decided to use my phone camera to take this, and then went to where they take passport and printed it out. So it's high time we stop looking like this. This is upside down. You can see, especially in Nigeria, that they make you believe that you should not put any makeup on when taking passport photographs. Like, why? And I used to believe that. That was when I took this. I think this was like in my third year or fourth year in school, like my 400 level. This was my year one. You can see that their camera kind of washes off my skin, but when you check this one I took with my camera, I'm actually brown skin and I just love it. Like, I love it, and I decided to use my natural hair here, but today I'll not be combing out my hair. So let's start. Let's get right into it. First things first, you want to do your skincare. I've done mine. So I'll be using oil control prime. I'm using the one of Pond's. And as you can see, I just applied it like at the center of my face because that's where I get oily. I don't get oily by the sides at all. Then just because I want my skin to glow, I'll be using this, oh god, this highlighter on the high points of my face. Please ignore how I look. By the time I put my foundation on, everything will be better. So the next step is to do your eyebrows. I love to do my eyebrows before I start any makeup. So I'll be going in with my edge control, and I'll be using that first to brush my brows up. You want to brush them diagonally. Then the next thing I do is to fill in my brow. Since I have a sparse brow, so I'll fill in the sparse areas and then conceal it. Now for this look, you want to make sure that you are concealing the brow very well. You want the two of them to be exactly at the same level and the same shape. So you want to take your time doing this. So as you can see, they are looking like the same. So I'll go on to conceal the top of my brow because I was so rough in filling it in. So now we're going with our foundation. I know that this is lighter than my skin tone, but I'm supposed to mix it with powder, but I know how to do it. So the next stage, you want to do contour, and you want to make sure that you are going in with the contour because you want to carve out your face very well. You want to follow that line to do your contour. So when doing this side, you want to drag it like this so that you have that carved out chin. you now want to conceal. Be very precise with it, and once you use the concealer to lift up our face, and that was why I put the contour here. You also want to like carve out your contour. You want to do reverse contour. So after blending everything in, you want to take your powder and lightly press in under your eyes. You don't want it to be too much. So after setting your face with the powder, you also want to take your contour shade and set the contour part of your face. Don't forget this side. So the next thing is to take your shade of blush, anyone you feel like. So this is my blush palette here. I'll be using this one and this one together to blush up my face. And when doing the blush, you want to keep it up here. You don't really want it to come here. And per usual, I will always highlight. Some people say highlighting is like gone, but for me it is not. So now we are going to line our lips, and you want to overline your lips. So you want to keep it a little bit moderate, because for me, I'm not used to like my top lip being very big, so I'm going to keep it moderate. I'm not going to overly line my lips. After lining your lips, you want to take a nude lipstick and apply. So I'll be using this one, this shade. And smudge your lips together to blend it out. I always like to use powder to like set my lipstick before putting lip gloss to help it not to move around too much. So now we're going to head over to the eyes. As you can see, the contour has helped my eyes like lift up. So we're going to kind of do that same thing. So I'm taking a brown shade and I'll just kind of follow that contour. You don't really want to do too much with the eyes. Then I'll take my highlighter, or if you have like a subtle glitter eyeshadow, you can use that. Take my highlighter and apply here. So after doing that, you can see that the look is coming together, like it's giving. You want to take your eyeliner and just do a very tiny wing, like nothing too much. You also want to do a tiny bit in your inner corner to kind of elongate your eye. Don't forget to line your waterline. It will help like make your eye much more beautiful, because I just like the black liner. It just gives the eye a little bit of like spice. But when you go dramatic and use another color, it makes your eye bigger, and I don't want my eye to be bigger because we're trying to just do everything to be good, carved out, but like still kind of natural size or something. So now I'm going to spray my face to melt the powders in. So then we're going to gloss up the lips. Next thing you want to do is you want to take your mascara and elongate your lashes. If your lashes is too scanty or too small, just take a little bit of a lash and put at the edge, which I'll be doing today. But on the day I took that passport, I didn't put anything. I just put mascara on my lashes. Don't forget your bottom lash. So we are done with the look. This is what it's giving. Though I've not put my lashes, I'm even thinking of not putting again because I like this. So now on the day when you are doing this passport, please try to do a slick hair that will help like lift up your face. You don't want to do something that like it's actually your choice. It's your choice, but like the best part of it is do something that is going to bring out your face more, because sometimes when we do like the weave on, it gives us a bigger face. It depends, but when you do something sleek like it's your natural hair, it lifts your face. Like check, if I had gelled my hair completely, it would have been way much more sleek and lifted. So on that day I had my natural hair out and I combed it, but today I'm not about to go through that. I'm not about to let my hair go through that. So I'll be using this adjustable ponytail. You guys should tell me in the comment section if putting the lashes will be better. I have these lashes I've cut. Oh no, this lashes is too much. I know it's not going to stay like that, but like, oh, should I try this one? We're going to skip that lashes. It's giving it a whole different look. I just love my eye the way it is right now. It's just spectacular. So I'm going for a second coat on my lashes to kind of try and bring it out more, because I have a very short lash and coily. And this is it, the final look. When taking your passport, you just want to look straight. Set up your camera at a good position. Make sure that there is accurate lighting, and you just stay looking at the lens of the camera so that it can get your ears. Because from what I know, they said your 2 ears should like show in your passport photograph for it to be a passport photograph. And yeah, this should not even be here. But like today is a different day since I'm not taking any passport today. I just had to do this look for you guys. Today is it passport. Make sure you give that gem through your eye when taking a passport to look your best. Your best. Oh Lord, I want to take pictures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to join the family. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.